Did I mention I'm ridiculously handsome and move like a demon? Yes, I do. Did I also mention I'm in Vicar Street on the 2nd of June? Yes, I did. More information can be found on my website, which is fantastic. There's also pictures of me. That's ollymurs.com. So, Owen, what's next in the show?
What is next on the show?
We're going to get inside the mind of Olly Murs.
We're going to get inside the mind of Olly Murs.
That's it. Olly Murs is going to take the hot seat on See You Conter Popcar. Here you go. Olly Murs taking the hot seat. Random questions.
Ready.
No default if you don't mind. 3, 2, 1, go. Do you nick stuff from hotel rooms?
I have.
Like what?
Shower gel and shampoo. The little small travel things are perfect. The little small containers, so that's all I nick, I'm afraid.
That's fair, it's fair. Have you ever missed your mum's birthday?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a demon, really?
No, I've missed a couple.
You can't be doing that.
I've only a couple.
Only a couple?
Only a couple. I'm sorry, Mum. Sorry, Mum.
That's bad form.
It's bad.
Ever been caught picking your nose in traffic or by the paps?
Do you know what? I have probably been caught picking my nose. I'm always having a little pick. But I actually got caught coming out of a public toilet, walking down the street with my flies undone. I was trying to do my flies back up, and I was this is Pat. And I was like, oh, that doesn't look good.
You could incorporate it into the Ollie Wiggle, though. You know what I mean?
Yeah, so
I
styled it out. I styled it out.
If you could save one and only one of these two, which would you save? Polar bears, white, fluffy, cute, yet ferocious kings of the Arctic, or tigers, black and orange, ferocious kings of the jungle?
Tigers.
Oh, what about the polar bears? They're so cute and fluffy.
Oh, yeah. Didn't think of that.
It's a moral conundrum.
Yeah.
Most famous person in your phone book?
Oh, it's got to be Simon Cowell.
That's pretty famous, to be fair.
I had Cheryl's, but I deleted it.
Why? Drunk texting alert, just in case. Oh, man.
I was giving it, and I was like, I'm not going to text her. I'm not going to ring her at 1 o'clock in the morning.
Embarrass myself.
You all right, darling? You all right?
Have you?
No.
You did, didn't you? One time. No. There's a story behind that.
It was kind of like, right, lads, shall I? Or shall I? No, okay, I better delete it. Delete.
Ná déananig go darman an album nua ó Olly Murs na siopí faoi láthair an single nua Thinking of Me and with Comma Dane Eastload out there. Do it legally as well so the boy can actually eat some sandwiches, you know what I'm saying?